Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your iPhone is uploading. Turn on iCloud Photos and connect to stable Wi-Fi. Once done, install Google Photos on your iPhone and sign in so it can back up full-resolution images. If you prefer a computer route, log into iCloud. Calm and be ready to download photos to a PC or Mac. Make this choice now. Cloud Sync is fastest for many, while the computer export gives full folder control and avoids automatic conversion. You have two practical paths. First, let Google Photos back up everything on the iPhone, then sign into the same Google account on your Android, and the images appear fast and automatic. Second, use iCloud. Calm. Select photos, download them as a zip to your computer, then copy to Android over USB or upload to Google Drive. For compatibility, convert Hike to JPG on the computer if Android apps don't display Hike natively. That prevents later playback headaches. On Android, open Google Photos or your gallery to confirm all images synced and albums look right. Move files from downloads into Pictures or DSIM if you want camera roll-style access. Once satisfied, free up iPhone storage or turn off iCloud Photos if you're migrating permanently. If something fails, check that iPhone backup completed and that Google Photos upload isn't paused. Convert any Hike files to JPG and reupload. That single step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.